Silence, dumbass, bitch ass, stupid ass. I caught him lacking.
For real?
Yeah, matter of fact, hold on, cause you about to be next, so.
What's gonna happen?
Yeah, just, you might just want to rock.
Yo! Oh my goodness! Fuck you, Ray, fuck you.
He told me fuck you, Ray, fuck you.
Oh! I can never snitch. That's on my kid. Put a chop on him. Ray. Ray, please help me, please.
Guys, don't go there. Guys, don't go there. Just don't
What
go.
was this?
What's good, bro?
That mustache look familiar.
It does.
Does that look familiar to you?
It kind of does. It would be Ray. Oh no!
See fast.
Oh!
You know what? I got no flashlight on him.
Yo,
Yo, what's up,
Chocolate,
dude?
love you, bro.
I love you too, bro. Dude, I got no flashlight on him. To show him how not scared I am. Hey, you're scary, bro. Hey, where your flashlight at? You drop it? Bro, come on, y'all scary?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm on that. What's up? What's up? I'm on that. What's up? Jamie? I'm trying to die.
Oh!
What's up?
Oh! Oh, he. Hey, Glock. Hey, Glock.
He not on nothing. He not on nothing. But I say. Not on nothing.
No, he is not on nothing.
Not on nothing.
No, you don't.
Pussy. Not on nothing. Not on nothing. Not like that. He not like that.
Oh my goodness.
Bro. He not like that. Bro. He not like that. Bro.
He not like that? He not like that, Glock? He not like that?
Bro. He not like that. He not like that. He not like that.
Oh!
Block you and save him?
Glock, here he come! Oh!
He's talking to you, bro.
Wait, how is your voice echoing? Get this punk away from me.
Fam, shut your bitch ass up, ass nigga. I'll beat the fuck out of your little bitch
Fam,
ass.
you're the
Get
phone.
that on your face, nigga. Get that shit off your face, big nose ass boy.
Hey, Ray.
Yo.
Tell this nigga what I do to his career, little bro.
You don't raise your shit,
Don't
gang.
do what you do to his career.
You ain't gonna do nothing. I don't have a career yet. Exactly, nigga. Say something.
Hey, Ray.
Joe, what you do in his career, bro?
None of us basically have a career yet, because we're not careerists yet.
Shut up! Ray and Chocolate. Whatever
What's up, bro?
it is, whenever Bonnie comes, I just want y'all to know. My fucking brothers, bro. This is what I
Big
live
bro.
for. This is what I strive
I
for.
appreciate
Y'all my fucking brothers. And if Bonnie could chase
Nah.
Ray.
This nigga look like a Chinese Hitler.
Ray,
nigga.
I know you heard me. Whatever happens from her, you my brother. If Bonnie come after us, you my brother.
Ray bricks my ass.
You said what, Ray?
Gang. Hitler's eating your ass, gang.
Stop! It's okay.
He was eating your butt, bro.
Hiller, please.
Hey, keep eating his butt. Keep eating his butt.
Whoa! Chocolate.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Please,
I just put a
chocolate.
hit on it.
Why are you on your knees saying please, bro?
Please, chocolate.
Overly clip, bro.
I fucking like you. Hey, yo, what the fuck is you doing? Nigga, why
I'm
you?
chilling, bro. I don't know about you, but I'm chilling, bro.
Nigga, why you just start? Why you have a kissy face at me, nigga? Hey, Hitler, what the fuck is you doing?
Round two.
Ray, don't ever fucking walk away when I'm talking to you. You my fucking brother. You know that? You my brother, bruh. Come here. Come here. How?
Listen, how about this? Your future ain't see clean. My thoughts wrong. They say eyes on me, what's the ground on me, eyes on me.
Hey, Chalky.
Why you on my body, baby?
Hey, Chalky.
Hey, Joe.
What you doing, Chalky?
Right now I'm chillin'.
Ooh.
Never mind.
Hey, LGBT.
Hey, Glocky, I need a huggy, wuggy, Glocky. Oh. Oh my goodness.
One, make it happy. Some hot dogs. Yeah, to all the glizzy gobblers out there. The glizzy gobblers out there.